Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know the previous episode ended with Unomfundo telling or breaking down the news to Unjengaye that she can no longer continue with this marriage. So the scene opens up, or this episode opens up at that scene. So Unjengaye then says, Ima Nomfundo, uthini kahle kahle. Nomfundo then says, Sibalkhulu, ngiyacela. Ngicela ukuthi ungayenzi kube nzima this thing than it already is. Mina nawe sibe nesikhathi esimnandi ndawonye. Saze sathola nengane. Umfana omuhle. Kodwa mele sivume ukuthi isizini yethu yothando isiphelile. Unjengaye then says, no Nomfundo, ungakhulumi kanjalo. Ungalinge. Ngiyacela. If kukhona la nginyathele khona, please ngiyaxolisa. Ngicela ukuxolisa nje kakhulu. Ngiyacela Nomfundo, cela ungakhulumi kanjalo. Nomfundo then says, lento ayikho ngawe Sibalkhulu, ingani. To finally open my eyes, ngibone iqiniso njengoba linjalo. Unjengaye then says, uthini kahle kahle Nomfundo. Nomfundo then says, ungilethe la koDlamini. Ngoba ufuna ukuphindisela umfazi wakho ngalento ayenzile. Akunjalo. Unjengaye then says, how Nomfundo, trying to act as if that's not true. He then says, how Nomfundo, ungangicabangeli kanjalo. Is that what you think of me kahle kahle? Unomfundo then says, ungaphika ngoba kuyaphiwa emhlabeni. Kodwa iqiniso linjalo. Na uyazi. Unjengaye then says, pheka Nomfundo, wena ula enhlizweni yami. Mina nawe sisiwa sivuka. Silana Nomfundo, come on. Nomfundo then says, yazi Sibalkhulu, mina nawe sisaqala ukuthandana, ngavuma uba umakhwapheni wakho, and now you asked for my hand in marriage. Kodwa manje that we are here, ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngeke. Ngiyohlezi ngingumakhwapheni mina. Akusoze kwashintsha lokho. Unjengaye then says, mfufu, come on. Mina nawe siphuma kude, sisuka kude mina nawe. Siphuma kude kabi ukuze sifinyelele la sikhona namhlanje. Ngiyacela ke, cela ungangilaqazi nje kanjalo. Nomfundo then says, Unjengaye then says, come on Nomfundo. Nomfundo then says, it wasn't an easy decision to make. Isinqumo engisithathile esokuthi fanele ngithande mina ngaphezu kokuthanda wena. Ngikhethe mina ngaphezu kokukhetha wena. I would have loved to be your wife Njengaye. Kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukusacrifice uqobo lwami just for i-title ya Mrs. Dlamini. Mele sifocus ezintweni ezibalekile manje. Ukukhulisa uBoy ngendlela efanele. You can see ukuthi Njengaye guys, he is so hurt. He looks like he's about to cry. Then Unomfundo goes on to say ukuthi siyeke le mfintshi le esiyenzayo. She removes her hand because Njengaye was holding her hand at this point. She removes her hand out of his, and Unjengaye can see that this time Unomfundo is dead serious, you guys. Anyway, next scene we see uSibongile. She is still at rest ekamereni lakhe beNozama. So uSibongile is pacing the room. You can see ukuthi she's panicking. Uzama uhlele esitulweni sipping on some tea. Uzama then says, kodwa mngani, angikwazi ukuthi why ustressa ngalolu daba ngoba phela we already have a solution to the problem. uSibongile then says, Zama, isolution yakho iyona engihlangisayo ngekhanda njengamanje. Uzama's like, how? Kanjani? You were all in for it izolo nje. uSibongile's like, izolo bengi angisafuni Zama, angisona isigebengu. I won't steal from her. Uzomela sithole enye indlela yokwenza, hayi lena. Uzama then says, lalela mngani, it's not technically stealing. As opposed to proving your innocence, uyabona yonto. Okay mngani ke, isimple. Mina ngizofika ngingene egumbini likaBusi, ngintshontshe laptop yakhe. uSibongile looks at Uzama like to say ukuthi Zama, I don't want to do this. Uzama then says, okay ke, ngiyithathe, not ukuthi ngiyintshontshe. Simple, clean job. Futhi ke, this is the only way to deal with criminals. We fight fire with fire. Ngeke phela singaphela ubusi hawo. uSibongile then says, mina Zama, angizimiselanga ukwenza into efana nalokho. Angizimiselanga, angikwazi Zama. Uzama then says, okay mngani, will it ease your conscience if you remember ukuthi uyena who stole from you first? uSibongile just looks away. Uzama's like, ngeke, it's fine. Ngizoyenza mina ngokwami. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene there we see Unjengaye beNoPhetheni are sitting in their office, guys. They are having a conversation. Kodwa uPhetheni can see ukuthi Unjengaye he's not fine, So uPhetheni is like, indaba. Unjengaya then says, hey, ilendaba kaNomfundo. As they speaking like that, uWenzeni just walks in. She's like, mano baba, ngiyaxolisa ukundisturba, but I have something I need to tell you both about. uPhetheni then says, where? Aren't you supposed to be in school? uWenzeni then says, ma, angikho right. uPhetheni is like, Pho, indaba ungasho. Udinga ukuya kwadokotela. uWenzeni then says, cha ma, engikudingayo yikuthi ngilale kuphela. Guys, phela that guy that uWenzeni has a crush on, that tutor, he actually has a crush kuNell, you guys. So uWenzeni, she is heartbroken ukuthi she's been trying, guys, ukuthi uPhilani, for her to get the attention kaPhilani. Kanti uPhilani uzinqwasele uNell all this time. So uNjengaya then says, usho ukuthi awudingi ukuya kwadokotela. uWenzeni then says, baba, bengeke ngize lana if I wasn't sure. All I need to tell you is that angiwadingi ama-lessons kaPhilani kuphela. uPhetheni is like, how? Wasn't it you insisting ukuthi udinga i-tutor? uWenzeni then says, ma, ngihlale niphe ngokwanele to know ukuthi angiwadingi ama-lessons akhe. uPhetheni is like, Wenzeni, njengoba kuzoqala ama-exams kanje, you can't drop the lessons nje kanjalo. uWenzeni then says, ma, ngithi angisawadingi. uPhetheni is like, no Wenzeni, Philani is staying. uWenzeni then says, baba, bengicela ukuthi ukhulume noma uyabona ukuthi lento ayikho fair. uNjengaya then says, ayi uma wakho uqinisile, nawe ke awusinikezi isizathu esiqinile as to why ungamfuni. uWenzeni then says, uyabona ke baba, mina ngiyayizonda nje impilo yami, ngizonda wonke umuntu, yonke into yala endlini iyabheda nje. She just storms off. uPhetheni just looks at uNjengaya and she giggled. uNjengaya is so confused as to like, what is going on? Next scene girl, we see uSibongile. She is still uhlele kamereni leli kamera alshara noZama. When uZama comes in rushing in ephethe i-laptop kaBusi, uZama zak nazok uSibongile zakhe hayibo Zama, uyintshontshe ngempela. uZama zakhe hayibo ntombazana, ucabanga ukuthi nginesikhathi sokudlala wena. uSibongile zakhe hayibo Zama, uzothini if kukhona okubonile? uZama opens the laptop already, uyayiphenya i-laptop. uZama zakhe, friend, are you coming or what? Like she's asking her, are you coming over to search this laptop with me or what? uSibongile is like, okay ke. uZama then says, okusele ke manje yikuthi sithola ubufakazi. She's going through the laptop. She's like, project Mngani, lesi sigebengu lesi, Mngani buka. Usho ukuthi, guys, they found something. I don't know what they found. Few moments later, we see uBusi. She is at campus, guys. Uhleli nomngani wakhe, they packing their books. Kusho ukuthi baye eklasini. So uBusi says to umngani wakhe, fanele siphuthume eklasini mngani. The friend then says, isikhathi siyashaya. Oh, uBusi then says, mina ke sengikhathela ukuthethiswa for being late. The friend then says, any register has already been marked. uBusi is like, sibadala for a register. Like tabanga. Next thing, guys, uSibongile ulaphayana etafuleni labo. uSibongile abingelele and she says, sanibonani. uBusi, obviously, she's surprised, shocked to see uSibongile. So the friend kaBusi then says, yebo sawubona. uSibongile then says, ninjani. uBusi is like, siyaphila. uSibongile then says, bengisacala ukukhuluma nawe Busi. uBusi is like, oh, okay. Then umngani kaBusi is like, hey, ngizokubona chomi. uBusi then says, okay, later friend. The friend leaves. uBusi then says, Sibongile, what are you doing here? Aren't you expelled? uSibongile is like, bengithi ngizoxolisa. uBusi is like, uzoxolisa? uSibongile is like, yes, ngiyaxolisa. Yimina obesephutheni. uBusi then says, ngiyajabula ukuzwa lokho. Look, I don't want any bad blood between us. Into eyenzekile was honestly nothing personal. uSibongile then says, kodwa Busi, it felt personal though. Because kuwo wonke umuntu you could have chosen. Uvele wakhetha uSibongile mbambo. uBusi then says, oh, come on, Sibongile. When you are the smartest eklasini and the most talented one, it was honestly an easy choice. Look, ngiyazi ukuthi nawe, the stakes were high for you because you have so much to lose. Kodwa yazini, asibele siyeke. Mina nginesiqiniseko sokuthi i-disciplinary board will get over this. And wena, you'll be back in no time, ne? Ayina njengembokodo, oh, you'll be fine. Bye, babes. She leaves, she gets up. As she's leaving, uSibongile kulungile ngiyabonga. Uhambe kahle. Guys, the nerve that uBusi has. As uBusi leaves, uSibongile picks up her phone. Aba guys, Usibongile was recording this whole conversation. Usibangile's like, I wonder Dean Izotini when they hear this. I'm just like, Sibongile, good shot. I really hope they're going to hear things for what they are. I hope they're not going to say Ubusi did not explicitly she did that and don't. I really hope this recording is going to help Usibongile. Next team, guys, we see Unomfundo. She is leaving the Dlamini mansion, and just the way remember the day she entered, everyone was there. Vusi, Trina, Gwenza, everyone was there. And today when she's leaving, everyone is there. And she's like, Dlamini family Bintandukbonga, thank you for the way you guys welcomed me with such warm hands. Phetheni, thank you so much for Imfudumalo, the way you welcomed me as well. Uvusi then says, is there nothing that you are leaving? Unomfundo then says, cha, abukho engikushiyayo. Uwenzeni then says, cha mina ngiyabonga ukuthi now I will have space to put my other clothes ewardrobe. Usis Mavis nabo Thulisile ngalaphayana. You can see Thulisile and Uneli are feeling sorry for Unokuzana, for Unomfundo. Usis Mavis is like, what was she thinking yen Unomfundo coming into another woman's house? Uneli akhuza umamvi ukuthi hayi mamvi. When another woman is going through so much, you shouldn't bring her down already. Umamvi avelas ngaphele, guys. So anyway, Unomfundo is doing her goodbyes. She hugs Uthemba, tells Uthemba ukuthi Themba ungashintshi mfanami, stay, continue being the respectful boy that you are. Then Umkhize says to Unomfundo ukuthi sis Nomfundo imoto ikulindile phandle, and that scene ends like that. Guys, I am proud of Unomfundo for choosing herself, despite the fact that her brother and what's Usamke were telling her ukuthi asale bulomshato because of the money and whatnot. I am glad because she was going to be miserable in this marriage. Last scene, guys, we see Unoma usendlini yawadlamini. Uphetheni and Utrina are sitting there, and we can see ukuthi they're having a conversation with her. So Utrina then says, Noma, yini yonke lento manje? That time, guys, Unoma uphethe isigubhu 2 liters samanzi. It looks like something, but there's something in that water. Then Unoma then says, I'm carrying the cure to the curse. This will fix everything. Ukhuluma ngale 2 liter yakhe. Utrina then says, ukhuluma ngani? Unoma then says, I want to be cleansed for the miscarriage. Utrina then says, Haibo Noma, bokungekho ngane nje. Unoma like, ibikhona. She calms down, you guys. She's like, ibikhona ingane, and I need to be cleansed. Otherwise, ngeke kube khona ukukhanya. Tina, ukhandela ingane yakho is something that haunts me. It haunts me because I didn't do right. I didn't do this right. Uphetheni and Utrina just look at one another because at this point, Unoma ingathi asangane ekhanda. Unoma then says, Ma, she looks at Uphetheni. She goes down on her knees. She's like, Ma, ngiyacela, please. Ngiyayizwa ingane yami ikhala. That time she's rubbing her stomach. She's like, ngiyacela, Ma, we have to fix this. Uphetheni is like, hi, Noma. Angazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni ngawe kodwa hayi. Unoma then says angeke sikwazi ukuyibalekela lena. That time she's still rubbing her stomach, and the scene just ends like that. Yeah, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.